Welcome to Dream on Wheels, your destination for exploring modern campervans that combine smart design, practical living, and real-world usability. In today's video, we're taking a detailed look at a campervan that stands out for its balanced approach to comfort, space, and everyday functionality, introducing the Pössl Trenta 640, a model designed for travelers who want a compact vehicle that still delivers a well-organized interior, efficient layout, and the essential features needed for comfortable life on the road. In this full tour, we'll explore everything, from the exterior design and interior living space to the kitchen, sleeping area, bathroom, and overall driving experience. So let's get started and see what makes this campervan a strong option in today's market. From the outside, the Trenta 640 carries a clean and refined appearance. It doesn't rely on bold or aggressive styling. Instead, it presents a balanced and modern look that feels timeless. The proportions are carefully designed, giving it a strong road presence without making it feel oversized or difficult to manage. Its length allows for a more spacious interior, while still maintaining the drivability of a standard van. This balance is one of its key strengths along the side. The sliding door provides easy and direct access to the main living area. It's a simple feature, but one that plays a big role in everyday usability. Large windows are positioned strategically, allowing natural light to enter while maintaining a sense of privacy. At the rear, the double doors open wide, providing access to both storage and the sleeping area. This also creates an additional lifestyle benefit, allowing you to sit at the back, enjoy the view, and feel more connected to your surroundings overall. The exterior design focuses on practicality, efficiency, and ease of use. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how thoughtfully everything has been arranged. The layout feels logical, intuitive, and easy to live in. Nothing feels out of place. Nothing feels unnecessary at the front. The driver and passenger seats rotate to face the living area. This transforms the cockpit into part of the interior space, instantly making the campervan feel larger and more functional. The seating area is compact, but it works well for everyday use. Whether you're having a meal, planning your next destination, or simply taking a break, the space feels comfortable and usable. The table is positioned in a way that makes it accessible without becoming an obstacle. It's stable, practical, and designed for regular use during the day. Natural light fills the interior, making it feel open and welcoming. And as the day transitions into evening, the lighting changes the atmosphere completely. Soft, ambient lights create a calm and relaxing environment, turning the campervan into a cozy retreat. This is not about luxury in the traditional sense. It's about comfort that feels natural and effortless. At the rear of the campervan, the sleeping area offers a comfortable and practical setup. The bed is designed to provide enough space for two people to rest without feeling restricted. It's well proportioned, making it suitable for both short trips and longer stays. The mattress offers good support, helping you relax properly after a full day of travel. And that makes a real difference over time around the sleeping area. Storage is integrated in a way that keeps everything organized. Overhead cabinets provide space for clothing and personal items. Underbed storage offers additional room for larger items like luggage or outdoor gear. The layout ensures that everything remains accessible without overcrowding the space. This is where the campervan starts to feel more like a home, a place where you can truly rest. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find a setup that focuses on efficiency and practicality. Everything is placed where it needs to be, within easy reach. You get a stove and sink combination that allows you to prepare meals without complication. The counter space is not large, but it's designed to be used effectively. And that's what matters most in a compact campervan. Storage plays a major role here. Cabinets and drawers are positioned to hold cooking essentials, utensils and groceries in an organized way. Nothing feels cluttered. Everything has its place. A refrigerator is also included, giving you the ability to store fresh food and extend your trips without relying on frequent stops. This kitchen is not about creating complex meals. It's about giving you the freedom to cook when you want, where you want. The bathroom is compact, but it's designed with purpose. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a shower, all integrated into a small but functional space. The layout is carefully planned to maximize usability. Everything is within reach, making daily routines simple and manageable. Storage compartments allow you to keep toiletries organized and easy to access. Having a bathroom on board adds a significant level of convenience. It allows you to travel more freely without depending on campsites or external facilities. And that independence is one of the biggest advantages of campervan travel. On the road, the Trenta 640 feels stable and easy to handle. Its size strikes a good balance between interior space and drivability. It's large enough to feel comfortable inside, but still manageable in everyday driving situations. City driving becomes less stressful, parking is easier, and navigating tighter roads feels more controlled. The driving position offers good visibility, helping you stay confident behind the wheel. Whether you're on a short trip or a long journey, the experience remains smooth and predictable. When you look at the campervan as a whole, what stands out is how naturally it fits into real travel situations. It doesn't feel complicated, it doesn't require constant adjustment. It simply works, you stop when you want, you stay as long as you like, and everything you need is already there. That's what makes the experience feel effortless. The Pössl Trenta 640 is designed for people who value simplicity, comfort, and flexibility. It doesn't try to do everything. But what it does well, and that's what makes it a strong option in the compact campervan category. At the end of the day, travel is not just about reaching a destination. It's about the moments in between, the quiet stops, the unexpected views, and the freedom to experience everything at your own pace. The Pössl Trenta 640 is built to support that kind of journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome tours. And until next time,